Today is April 16th, 2016, and it's Saturday. We just had lunch. Have you ever had Which Wich? This is Which Wich, my friends. It is delicious. I just had a hummus sandwich, and I got to create it myself and put in all kinds of yummy seasonings like crushed red pepper and oregano. It's delicious. You have to try it. Look how pretty this little walkway is. Love it. Such pretty flowers. We're just taking a stroll while my son gets his hair cut. So we're driving home and we saw this open house on the lake, and we've been eyeballing these houses. Not that we can afford them, but you know, it's a dream. Someday soon, we're gonna have one of these electrical boats. I've looked into them. They're about 25 to 40K, so it's like a car payment. I'll give up my car for the boat on the lake. Look at that view. What a backyard, right? Yes, step into my yacht. So we're walking through this walk-in closet, come around the corner, and I don't know what that is, but it's so sad. I think it's a dead bird. Oh my gosh, I can't take it. I can look away. No, thank you. It's so sad. I think we should tell the guy. Look how sad. Why is it in the closet? Or is this a trick? No, that's real. That's real, huh? That's real. Oh my god, it's so sad. Why is it in the closet under there? Oh. No. So I don't care how nice the water fountain is, or the boat, or the lake. There was a dead bird in there. We're not taking it. We weren't even really serious, so we're leaving now. Hey, we're walking to my daughter's school. They're having a family day carnival. Just hopped out of the shower, so my hair is cray, left with it wet, and now it's really windy out, so my hair is, I don't know what it's doing. So don't even pay attention to that. Anyways, I saw some cool stuff in there, and I'll share it with you if I have a moment. Thanks. Love the American flag. Doesn't get better than that. Look how cool this is. This is the bomb detonator. That.
It used to be controlled in this little pouch. Yeah, but then the newer ones, they have this patch, that way you can see it a lot easier. So that weighs about 90 pounds, and it'll protect you for about 1
How cool that thing is. And then check out the suit. Super cool. It looks like a space suit. You gotta be grateful for the people who do this for a living, because there's no way I would be able to do it. And then that seems claustrophobic too. They save lives. Thank you to sheriffs and bomb squad units.
If you want, you can go inside too and see how the computers and how it works also.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
So I'm about to go into the bomb truck. Thank you. Let's see. I didn't know that I was going to get to do this today.
Oh,
Check this out.
oh, that's right. That's
Look at this.
yeah, when you say collateral, I go.
So awesome.
Dude, I'm always telling him, like, go find something cool to do.
Yeah.
And he just says, let's play video games. Right. Fly the drone.
There you go.
How tall I can go.
Look how the camera's going up. That's so cool.
Yeah, we got that on film.
Oh, and see, and then it's on the screen over there.
Bye-bye.
Katie, let's go. Next coming. I like this.
He's moving the robot. So cool.
Yeah, you don't have to be that tall to be in the back. Yeah, I was going to say. For some of our guys,
Look at it, it's moving now. That is so cool. And then look, they're going up to the stormtroopers.
I see a stormtrooper.
Is this the droid we're looking for?
That's awesome.
This is not the droid you're looking for.
Move along. Move along.
battery might run out by the time it gets to the wall. Hoping that it makes it. We'll see.
Big tornado! Big tornado! Make the wall! The wall with that thing! Go for Cam up there. Yeah, let's go check out for Cam. We're going to run!
Should be moving forward soon. There we go. Some action.
Come pick it up.
I always thought it was being really careful, but is it just really slow?
No, you're switching between all the cameras
Oh, okay.
and stuff.
I was like, he's being really cautious with the wallet. Here we go. He's gonna grab it.
See, and you only have a certain, you're not 3D, right?
Right.
So it's hard to tell how far you're going out.
Yeah. He's got it. All right. Yay! He's got the wallet. Okay, so now it's evening time and we're watching Seinfeld and getting ready to eat some Thai food, one of my favorites. Like when I was pregnant, I had Thai food like 3 times a week or something crazy like that. Anyways, my son loves Thai food. We were trying to figure out what to eat for dinner and then we're all trying to vote and right when he said Thai food, I'm like, that's what I'm craving. Done deal. So anyways, this is what we're having. And after we finish Seinfeld, we're going to watch The Mindy Project. So those are 2 of our shows. I'm going to do a vlog on all the shows that I love too, eventually. Okay, so this is our dinner. Look at how cool those Star Wars chopsticks are, lightsaber chopsticks. Okay, so the Mindy Project's starting, so I'm gonna go quickly through this. This is Tom Kha Gai soup. It's really, really flavorful and so delicious. You have to try that. This is curry, so it's yellow curry. We get no chicken in ours, so that's all potatoes or extra potatoes. And then this is garlic salmon. It's so good. And this is, of course, pad thai. Super flavorful and delicious, and I love it. Peanuts gives it a nice texture. And of course, our white rice. You have to have white rice. Yummy, yummy. Oh, and chili peppers. You have to have chili peppers. So that's dinner. Okay, so we're gonna watch Mindy right now and grub on our Thai food. So I'm gonna say goodnight now. Good night, sweet dreams. And also, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It was filled with interesting things like poor dead birds in the open houses and the bomb squad. The bomb squad. All I could think about was Speed and Keanu Reeves. Take my hand. Right? Okay, so anyways, I hope you had a great weekend and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Good night.